Hey everyone, this is Chase Rocky Mountain HVMC here with another awesome giveaway for the month of November. All right, everyone, thanks for checking in because we are back with another awesome giveaway for the month of November. Now, if you haven't yet, you got to subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel because we do awesome giveaways each and every month, and you do not want to miss out. So subscribe, hit that notification bell because for the month of November, here's what we're giving away to one lucky winner. We are giving away a set of the all-new Ricky Carmichael Signature CFT Handlebar from ODI. They did a signature bend with him. I actually have these on my bike right now. I love them. And also included with the new bars, we have a set of the new V2 Lock-On Emig Pro grips. I love these. They're a brand new grip from ODI designed with Jeff Emig. Nice low profile design, soft rubber compound, incredibly durable, and the best part, they're lock-on. Very easy to install, very easy to remove. So, probably wondering, what do you have to do to win? It's pretty dang simple. 3 easy steps. First of all, you got to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I already said it. There. Second, you want to comment below, let us know what bike you are riding. And third, you know that when you have that moment in life when you're riding your dirt bike and you want to be a hero and just go for something, go big or go home? Well, Hayden, one of our very own here at Rocky Mountain, recently experienced that out on a track. So watch this clip. Now don't worry, Hayden was back to work on Monday, amazingly, but we want you to comment and tell us, how do you think that clip ended? Once you've done those 3 easy steps, you subscribed, comment your bike, tell us how that clip ends, you are automatically entered to win. Now, there are a couple things you want to keep in mind. You got to be 18 years or older. Also, this contest is going to run from the 11th through the 18th. And it's very important, after you've done those steps, you want to check back after the 18th and look at your notifications on YouTube to see if we have replied back to you. That's how you're going to know if you have been selected. But if you do have questions or comments, you can leave those below. And if you want to see a breakdown of all the rules, of course, you can click on the link after this video. Now, from all of us here at Rocky Mountain HVMC, again, we do these giveaways to show our appreciation to everyone out there who supports us, who watches our videos. And you don't want to subscribe just for the giveaways that we do. We have a lot of other great content. We do our how-to videos, our product spotlights, our comparison videos, our verses, our buyer's guides, all the content that you need to get everything that you need for your ride. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain. We wish you luck.